Hi, it's me, KJ, the filmmaker slash artist, and today we're just gonna go over the website. But as a matter of fact, I haven't even found any discussed more on this website or more on this account or something like that. So I'm just gonna show you more on the website and also how to fix the password and stuff like that, and also how to cancel the payment if you're having money issue or something like that. So that you won't even be able to spend all that $10 per month on this website thing. So let's just log in. So first you just click the login button and then you type in your username and password. But even if you forgot the password, you can just click forget password here. Forgot password here. So let's say I forgot my password here, and by typing in stuff, let's just say I type in my username or something like that, and then I forgot my password, and then I would just click forgot password. So let's get to it. So even if you lost your password, so all you gotta do is put in your username or email, and then you click restart the password or reset the password, I meant to say. And you gotta see that the password resend email has been sent to your email address on your file account, but make them several minutes to show up on your inbox. Please wait at least 10 minutes before it attempted another reset. So once you get there, you probably might get to your email over here. So you probably might get this message here, password reset request. And all you're gonna do is click here to reset your password, and then it'll take you to the website, to your account, and all you gotta do is enter your new password and then re-enter the new password you have. So I'm just gonna re-enter the new password here. So once you enter a new password, all you gotta do is click save, and then you just start logging in. Once you click the login button, it would get you to your account. So pretty much once you got into your account, well, you kind of see that you get to watch your individual videotape. Well, you get to watch your full version of the videotape and stuff like that. Even if you just want to watch one videotape, that's probably okay. You just click on one button over here or something like that, and then you just watch probably the entire videotape, or you can just watch the video series or something like that. Either way, yeah, but it's probably full of more things and stuff. If you besides watching like a trailer version being popped on, so this is probably what it looks like if you had someone logged in to your account. So you're obviously currently logged in. And now I'm just going to teach you the basic of my account. So pretty much even though you are logging in as probably this person, so all you got to do is click in my account up here, which is on the top. So click in my account. So now you're going to see that whenever you click my account, it will get you to here at this dashboard here. So you kind of see that I decided to use screenshot and then edit in Photoshop because I figured that it's probably hard for me to edit and post anyhow. So I decided to do this instead. So what I do is that I decided to censor every personal email and something like that, and also the personal contact information that should be removed. So anyhow, we're just gonna keep on going. So anyhow, you kind of see that we get to this dashboard here, and even if you wanna unsubscribe it, all you gotta do is click my subscription over here with this blue arrow over here, and once you get in here, you would probably get to the subscription account, and there it would just have like the status, whether it's activated, the start date, the last order date, the next payment date due, the payment, and something like that, and all that stuff. So pretty much you kind of see that the actions here. So you kind of see you might have to get to the actions, and you have to click canceled, and then it will just cancel so that it wouldn't automatically pay $10 per month or so. And then it would just turn into something like this. The status would be like pending cancellation, which obviously means that there's no next payment date or something like that. So even if you want to reactivate, since there might be a new movie or a new episode of an anime series or something like that, you can just click on reactivate it, and then you probably had to pay for everything else. Even though I know that there are indeed a few people who are obviously just trying to do anything that can help save the money and stuff like that. Well, I guess that's all I can say in order to just prevent all this. So pretty much you can just try this website right here, even though this is like a how-to videotape of some sort. So pretty much I might have to say thanks for watching this, even if you find this somehow kind of helpful for some reason on, since I forgot to mention that part to any of you. So make sure you give this videotape a like if you like it, thumbs up the videotape if you like it, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more. And even if you want to watch the full version of the videotape as well as the trailer version of the videotape on this website, you can just hit that pink subscribe button on the top right here. And I might say thanks for watching this. So give this video a like and give it a thumbs up and give the arts filmmaker a high five. So Anyhow, thanks for watching.